How to sign in to Zillow account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can sign in to Zillow account. In order to do so, first of all, ensure that you have already created an account on it. Now once you have done that, open any web browser of your choice on your device. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once in the browser, in the search bar, type in Zillow.com. Now press on enter to search for it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Zillow. Now once you reach to the official website of Zillow, here at the top right you will be able to locate sign in option. Simply click on it and then a pop-up will appear. Now here you will need to enter your email address and password in order to log into your account. Also, if you haven't created an account yet, you may also click on new account tab next to sign in, and then you will need to fill in the details such as your email address and create a strong password in order to create an account on it. Also, if you would like to sign in with your Apple ID or a Facebook ID or Google account, you may also choose one of these options based on your preference at the very bottom. Here, since I have created my account using the email address, I'm going to enter my credentials in this field. Simply click on this email text box and there enter your email address. Once after entering the email address, now enter your password. Make sure to enter the correct password in this field. If in case you don't remember your password, you may also click on forget your password link just below the sign in box, and then you will need to follow the instructions in order to recover or reset your password. And once you have updated your password, enter the new password in this field and then click on this sign in button. Now within a while, you will see you have successfully signed in to your account. In order to go and check your profile, you will need to simply hover your cursor over this agent hub option and from here select the profile option. By doing so, you'll be able to see your profile page. So this is how you can sign in to your Zillow account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.